Oh, Bo, that's a ripper. Beautiful length. That's the length Ishiguro was talking about. Shamar Joseph.
And you're right, the length was perfect. And I think it's just hit a tuft of green. Some of that green tinge on the surface. A bit of wobble. Excellent bowling.
Oh, it's king pair for Travis Head. Shamar Joseph. Can you believe what we're seeing here at the Gabba?
What a performance, what a find for West Indies cricketers. S. Joseph.
Yes, he's done it! Shamar Joseph has bowled an absolute cracker.
What a delivery, the extra pace, the bounce, 144 kilometres an hour. And a little juggle, it doesn't matter. It's Greaves actually that takes it.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, straight through Alex Carey. This young fella's creating history here today, folks.
Unbelievable, top of off stump. Don't have to worry about brushing the bail this time. It's come off the pad. Deflection, it's just good pace, good bounce. And look at him go with a bung toe. He's still taking off.
145.4 kilometres an hour. That's what pace does for you.
This one's up in the air. This should be taken. Coming across. It is. Gee, that's a good catch. What a moment this is at the moment. Well, you had one, a couple of deliveries before that went over the slips. This time, forward of square on the offside, and a good catch. Edge away, big catch, big wicket. Wow, what about this? He's got six back. Can you believe it? Pace, bounce, did everything. Very good catch from De Silva, diving, and he's off. Why wouldn't you be?